Hi, welcome to today's lesson. Our learning target today is I can use number patterns to create and plot ordered pairs. I hope this sounds familiar. It's the same learning target as yesterday. Today, we just practice. Okay, we have two rules here. We have our X rule, and this rule, start at 10 and subtract 2, will help us to generate our X coordinate in each ordered pair. We have our Y rule, start at 5 and add 3. This rule will help us to generate the Y coordinate in each ordered pair. Let's begin. If we start at 10, that means we must write 10 as our first coordinate in the X row. If we start at 5, we must write 5 as our first coordinate in the Y row. Now, the X rule says subtract 2 from the 10. So let's go ahead and do that, as well as adding 3 to the 5. Following both rules will help us to generate our next ordered pair. Go ahead and try that right now. All right. 10 minus 2 is 8. That is the next X coordinate. And 5 plus 3 is also 8. 8 is our next Y coordinate. So we now have two ordered pairs in our list. We have 10, 5, and we have 8, 8. Let's create the next ordered pair by continuing to follow these rules. What is the next ordered pair? Okay, we started at 10 in this X rule. We subtracted 2 to get 8. We subtract 2 again from 8 and we'll get 6. We started at 5 here in the Y rule and we added 3 to get 8. We'll add 3 to 8 to get 11. 6, 11 was the next ordered pair. Now, find the final ordered pair in this list. All right. The X rule said to start at 10 and subtract 2, and we got 8. We subtracted 2 again and got 6. We'll subtract 2 one more time. 6 minus 2 is 4. And the Y rule said to start at 5 and add 3. We did and got 8. 8 plus 3 more was 11. 11 plus 3 more is 14. Our final ordered pair is 4, 14. It's time to graph or plot these points. Here is a coordinate grid of the first quadrant. Here you can see the y-axis. Here is the x-axis. Here are our ordered pairs. Let's plot them out. We are going to plot them in order. First ordered pair first, and then on we go until the last ordered pair fourth. So let's find 10 on the x-axis and go up to 5 on the y-axis, and there we have our point right there. We're going to call that, let's see, 10, 5 was right here, and we will call that 10, 5 in parentheses. Always important to label your points. Now, can you predict which way, in which direction, this line is going to slope based on the next ordered pair? Go ahead and see if you can visualize or even plot out with your finger that ordered pair. Which way will this line slope? Let's figure it out. Our next ordered pair here is 8, 8. So let's go over to 8 on the x-axis and up to 8 on the y-axis. There it is. We're going to call that point 8, 8. And look at that. If we start to connect these points, we see that this line is going to slope up and to the left. All right. Our third ordered pair is 6, 11. So let's go over to 6, up to 11. There it is. Ooh. That's 6, 11 in parentheses. We'll continue to connect these points with as straight a line as possible. And our final ordered pair is 4, 14. So let's go ahead and do that. Over to 4 on the x-axis, up to 14 on the y-axis. There it is. That is 4, 14. We'll connect those, and we have our number pattern graphed. This is the work you'll continue to do today. Our learning target is I can use number patterns to create and plot ordered pairs. Oink, oink. Let's get to work, and let me know if you need help.